Prepare to be blown away by the raw power and state-of-the-art technology of these incredible forestry machines. This video has it all: adrenaline, innovation, and the thrill of modern logging. Buckle up, because an unforgettable journey into the heart of forestry awaits. Let's dive in! Built for heavy-duty mulching, this Tiger Cat model turns dense vegetation into mulch efficiently, making it ideal for land clearing and fire prevention. Its powerful design and precision in tackling tough forest floors make it a valuable tool in forestry, transforming landscapes with ease and speed. With exceptional agility and strength, this Tiger Cat feller buncher is engineered for swift, efficient tree harvesting. Its advanced design allows it to maneuver seamlessly through dense forests, handling challenging terrains and heavy workloads with reliability, making it a trusted choice for demanding forestry operations. Designed for rugged terrains, the John Deere skidder efficiently handles tough extraction tasks, hauling heavy loads of timber through challenging conditions. Known for durability and strong pulling power, it's essential for log transport, speeding up forestry work and enhancing overall productivity. This mulching powerhouse is designed for large-scale vegetation control, handling dense brush and small trees with ease. Its robust engine and cutting head allow it to work efficiently in challenging environments, proving its value in high-volume land clearing and restoration projects. Skidder built for strength and stability. This TigerCat skidder is a powerful tool for moving heavy logs in dense forests. With advanced traction control and rugged durability, it handles steep and uneven terrains, maximizing efficiency in forestry transport tasks and showcasing reliable, industry-leading performance. Equipped with a powerful hydraulic arm and saw blade, this homemade firewood machine delivers impressive cutting speed. Its efficiency makes firewood processing much faster and easier, even with dense logs. This machine makes splitting wood effortless, handling even large logs with ease. Its robust design ensures that no piece of wood is too challenging, providing a reliable solution for efficient firewood production. What an amazing tool for splitting wood. Each piece is smoothly separated, making the process look effortless and efficient. This firewood cutter is truly remarkable. It makes the job look easy, with each cut requiring minimal effort. Incredible how it simplifies the entire task. With its razor-sharp blade, each log is swiftly transformed into thin, even slabs. The precision and speed are impressive, such a time saver. Absolutely incredible. The hydraulic-powered machine glides through each piece of wood, delivering clean and precise splits with impressive speed. The combination of power and efficiency means that even the toughest, densest logs are no match. Watching it work is almost mesmerizing as it effortlessly reduces heavy logs to manageable firewood, truly saving time and energy.
Przeleciał. To nie jest przewidziane podupanie, nie? No.
The machine's ability to split wood smoothly and consistently turns a back-breaking job into a simple task. It's hard not to admire its efficiency, especially when it slices through thick pieces like they're nothing. The speed and accuracy of each cut make it a dream for anyone who needs firewood in volume. It's impressive to see how it turns solid logs into neat, even slices without a hitch, showcasing how advanced machinery can completely revolutionize wood processing.